If you are planning to study in Germany, you must have heard about the increase in blocked amount. From 11,208 euros, it has now become 11,904 euros. This is an increase of around 696 euros. So why has this amount increased? The cost of living in Germany has increased. Things like food, rent and utilities have become more expensive. So the government wants to make sure that the international students doesn't find difficulty in managing their daily expenses. So by introducing the blocked account, they make sure that students can handle their daily expenses smoothly. Which brings us to our next question. Why is a blocked account required to study in Germany? Blocked account is an amount that students need to show to the German government in order to prove that they have enough funds to manage their living expense while studying in Germany. It is also mandatory for applying your German student visa. It is called a blocked account because you as a student cannot withdraw the whole amount in one go. Every month, a fixed amount will be released to you. Earlier, this amount was 934 euros and now it has become 992 euros. This means that you have an extra 58 euros to manage your daily expenses more easily. Now, let's get to know about the major blocked account providers and their costs. You can open a blocked account through service providers like Coracle, Fintiba and Expatrio, which are trusted by many. Each of the service providers have a slight variation in their charges. Here is a breakdown of their services and their charges. These fees include the blocked account amount, buffer amount and the processing fees. Also check out whether they are offering extra services like credit card, debit card or health insurance. Next, we will look at how to transfer money to your German block account from India. For this, first you have to choose your appropriate blocked account service provider. After choosing the service provider, fill in your necessary details in their website. And as a result, an instruction sheet will be generated. This instruction sheet contains details about the German bank account of the service provider. Now, transfer money into the German bank account through your bank or a money transfer service provider. You can also transfer money through Nugent online money transfer aggregators like ExTravelMoney. We have tie-ups with both these financial institutions. All you need to do is compare our rates in our website and book the most money-saving service provider for you. So just to recap, the blocked account amount for students planning to go to Germany has increased to 11,904 euros with a withdrawal limit of 992 euros per month. Always make sure that you choose the right service provider. Also compare the service providers based on their fees and services they provide. So that's all about opening a blocked account in Germany. Good luck with your studies and see you in the next video.